If you have an LLC and you're not sure how to file taxes, it's easier than most people think. So the first thing and the most important thing you'll need to know is an LLC is not a tax type, it's just a legal structure. And how you file totally depends on your LLC and how it's classified. And the first thing you'll need to do is identify your LLC type. There are three common ways an LLC is taxed. So the first one is if you're a single member LLC, you're usually taxed like a self-employment income. And if you have partners, it's just a partnership. Or you can elect to be taxed as an S corp. And for most beginners, they are just a single member LLC. So for single members, it's Schedule C. For multi-member, it's partnership. And for S corp, it's payout or payroll structure. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is start by collecting all the income your LLC made during that specific year. And this can come from invoices, payment platforms, or 1099 forms. For example, Stripe, PayPal, or invoices with other platforms. And then you will need to track your business expenses. You'll basically need to list all business expenses such as software, equipment, internet, and anything you used for your business, which will reduce your taxable income significantly. Now, to file your taxes, you can either use a tax software or hire a professional to do it for you. So you can either go to the irs.gov website and then click on individuals here. And then click on File Your Taxes for Free Online. Now click on the Guided Tax Software Tools and then choose one of these partners. And if your LLC is more complex, you can hire a CPA. Now for the most of the single member LLCs, you usually file as a self-employed. And most LLC owners fill out something called Schedule C, which basically reports your business income and expenses. And the software usually fills this out for you automatically when you're filing. Now, if your LLC made money, you may owe income tax plus self-employment tax. Then all you gotta do after entering all your information in the software is review everything carefully and then just submit the request or the tax return online once everything looks good. And you're pretty much done. So to quickly recap, it's just identifying your LLC type, tracking your income and expenses, and then fill out Schedule C and submit your return. If you think your LLC is more complex, you can reach for help, hire a CPA. Otherwise, if you're a single member, it's pretty easy to do. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.